Hindi, dadali ko dito. Hindi naman na tayo.
Asan na? No. Alex, uwi mo na yan. Pwede nang iwi yan eh.
Ha?
Oh yan, lalagay niya. Alalatik? Ah, putang na mo.
Saan? Oo nga, nakalibot.
Look like a legal Hollywood.
Legal. Look like. There. Look. There. Legal kaya? Ha? Oh, legal.
21.
Yeah, that's like legal.
Yeah, we don't put it.
I'm going to legal.
It's legal, but it's too short.
Huh?
Long enough.
Not long enough?
It's gotta be 25 at least. 51. Yeah.
There you go. Straight back. Naidiyan ka.
Pantig naman. Ha?
Nakalagay dito na basa. Head is passing only.
Oh, baka rin.
Kasi ko dapat. Kasi ko ang head is passing only.
I know. $20.
I won't obey. You cannot tell me what I cannot say. I'm here last, so yeah, I'm headed.
It's on. Gotta fish Lala. Just for you.
Look at her. She's excited.
Big bass.
Alalatik? Ah, putang na mo. Kako. Now Lala's gonna get disappointed. No, Lala. Got away. That's a big one.
It's a big fish. Got away. Hindi naka. The hook's still here. The fish got away.
Oh,
It's a big fish.
oh, Lala.
Halibut?
Yeah, it's halibut.
Saan? Oo nga, halibut.
It look like a legal halibut.
Legal.
Legal.
Look like. There. Look.
Maybe 21.
There.
There you go.
Legal kaya? Ha?
Yeah. Legal.
Oh,
Maybe
legal.
21. Also.
Legal niya. Oh, malaki.
Yeah, looks like
Legal.
Yeah, we don't put it.
I think you're legal.
It's legal, but it's too short. Don't want
Ha?
not long enough. We want it 30.
Not long enough?
We gotta be 25 at least. 21. Yeah. Shut the hell up.
There you go. Straight back. Naidiyan ka.
22. Oh.
Damn, Burley.
Yeah, it's a 23.
23?
23?
Nah.
Ha?
Release it. Release.
Yeah,
got the release. Lars.
Kailangan ba 25?
23, 24. We're going
22
25.
kailangan? Ha?
22.
I'm not going
22
home.
kailangan, di ba? Pwede yan.
Ayaw niya.
Kaya niya?
There we go.
Alright, catch and release.
Gas and release.
Ganun ba yun?
Bye-bye, buddy.
Yeah.
See you later. Alright.
Pantik naman.
Ito, nabigyan pa ako ticket.
Ha?
Kasi nakalagay, hindi ko nabasa, head in parking only.
Oh, baka rin.
Nakita mo, dapat. Nakita mo, head in parking only.
I know.
Nabigyan ako ng
Take it.
ticket.
$30.
Kasi i-atras ko sa akin eh. $52.
52?
Oo.
Oh, shit.
Nakita mo, hindi ko alam eh. Hindi pa rin.
Alam niyo nung pa yun eh.
Ha?
Big macro.
Noong pa yun eh.
Head in parking only? Hindi, dadali ko dito. Hindi naman na tayo.
Asa na?
Nalipot ko.
Fish on.
No.
Short one.
Alex, iwi mo na yan.
Halibut. Short.
Pwede ko eh. Uwi na yun.
Pwede nang iwi yan eh.
Alright.
Ha?
Video mo. Yeah. Goodbye.
Oh, yan, lalagay niya.
Sabi ko eh, para
Sarap pa naman yan, no?
Tsaka naka-video.
hindi na makakataya.
Short.
Halibut short. Hindi nakatapat.
I was gonna take it home.
No, too short.
Legal.